How to link your Facebook business page on a Facebook group using only your mobile phone. In this short video, I will teach you the step-by-step process on how to link your Facebook business page on groups. You can do this to 2 or more groups in Facebook. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record tutorial on how to do it. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Pwede mong gawing admin ang Facebook business page mo sa isang group kung ikaw ang admin ng group. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang complete screen record tutorial on how to do this step by step. Let's go! Hi guys! I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to link your Facebook business page to a Facebook group using only your mobile phone. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.